How are rocks classified on the basis of physical and chemical characteristics? Let's first see the classification of rocks on the basis of physical characteristics. Here rocks are classified as stratified rocks, unstratified rocks, foliated rocks. Now let us see them one by one. Stratified rocks. These rocks show distinct layers. These rocks can be split along these distinct layers. Example, limestone, sandstone, etc. Unstratified rocks. These rocks do not show any distinct layers. These rocks cannot be split into thin layers. Example, granite, basalt, etc. Foliated rocks. These rocks can only split in a definite direction. The layered or banded appearance is produced by exposure to heat and directed pressure in metamorphic rocks. Example, gneiss. Now let's see the classification of rocks on the basis of chemical characteristics. Here rocks are classified as argillaceous, siliceous, calcareous. Now let us see them. Argillaceous. Here the principal constituent is clay, A12O3. These rocks are hard and brittle. Example, slate. Siliceous. Here the principal constituent is silica, SiO2. These rocks are very hard and durable. Example, gneiss. Calcareous. Here the principal constituent is lime. Example, limestone. Thus, based on physical characteristics, rocks are classified as stratified, unstratified, and foliated rocks. Based on chemical characteristics, rocks are classified as argillaceous, siliceous, calcareous. The related term is